Are you looking for an awesome system to store clothes, bags, and accessories? I was gifted this product to give an honest review, and I'm so excited. I love having extra storage that's functional, easy to put together, and holds everything. This system took me maybe 20 minutes to put together by myself. It comes with everything that you need. The instructions are super clear on how to assemble, and it is amazing. It's so sturdy. It holds everything I need. You've got a rack for clothing. You've got storage up top, a basket down below, and 2 side pieces that are attached to hold accessories and things like that. So this is, you can see me putting it together. So simple. And then I will show you how I style it and why I love it so much. If you're looking for an awesome clothing system that holds all kinds of things, has storage up top, a rack for clothing, a bottom basket for other items, and little hooks for belts, accessories, purses, bags, anything like that, I would definitely recommend this product. I love it. It's so functional. The price is amazing, and we absolutely love this product.